my channel and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to do the look that I'm wearing right now. It is created with one of the most beautiful palette. The moment I saw this palette, I saw the picture, I so wanted to buy it. The packaging is outstanding and the colors are out of the world. Guess what? Any guesses? Okay, I created this palette using this amazing Too Faced chocolate gold palette. Look at the packaging. It is to die for. It's so amazing, and the best, it smells wonderful. It smells so delicious that you really want to eat up the whole palette. I love the colors. Look at this chocolate gold. This is so beautiful. I even love this one, which is gold dipped. But the two most amazing colors that made me buy this palette are this one, which is New Money, and this one, which is Money Bags. I created this look using this one, which is New Money. And if you really want me to create another look using this palette, which is by this Money Bags, I would love to do that. I am so in love with this color. It is just enhancing the whole eye, and it is so simple and so beautiful that all of you would love to create it on yourself. We also have a giveaway in this video. To enter the giveaway, you just need to enter my notification sword contest. And what is this contest all about? You need to subscribe to my channel and you need to put on the notification bell, and you have to be amongst the first people who are going to comment in the first 12 hours of my video. Please do like my videos, and if you are amongst those who enter the notification squad contest, then you may win what? Tan-ta-na-na! You can win this Too Faced Diamond Light beautiful highlighter that I have used in this video. I have used it on the high points of my face, and this is beautiful. So in case you want to win this, please enter my notification squad contest and you can be amongst the lucky one. So let's not waste much of our time and let's just start with the video. Let me just tie my hair so that they don't bother me while doing makeup. Look at my baby hair. They look so bad. Whenever I wash my hair, this is what happens. Let me just moisturize my lips with this Dior Lip Glow Pomade. Now I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to use this Complexion Perfection by Huda Beauty, which came in the pack of this Huda Beauty foundation. And I'm going to apply it all over my face using the Sigma brush F30. Smells so good and it's quite moisturizing. I'm already done with my brows, and now for color correction I'm using this Mandarin by Krylon using this Morphe brush E30. I'm going to apply it under my eyes since I have very prominent dark circles right now. Now for my foundation, I'm using this Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation in Amarati. I'm going to apply it using this Beauty Blender by Winsome Story. Just one pump of this foundation is more than enough for you to cover the whole face. It's so pigmented, it covers everything. If you need a full coverage foundation that stays all day long, this foundation is actually for you then. I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm going to apply it with this Crown brush. I will pat so that it stays in place. Now with the same beauty blender, I'll blend it well. Now for my highlighting and contouring, I'm using these stick from MAC. This is MAC Perfection Stick in the shade NC20 for my highlighted areas and NW50 for my contour areas. F40. I will blend all the contour using this. And for my nose, I'm using this MAC Oval Brush 3. Again, I'm going to use the same beauty blender by Winsome Story and blend all the high points of my face. For the powder, I'm using RCMA No Color Powder. I have started liking this powder in winters because I feel that this powder is really less drying than the rest of the powders. It using the same damp beauty blender because it sets everything in place. For my contour, I'm using this Bahama Mama from The Balm, and I am going to apply it using this MAC brush 100. For my nose, again, I'm using the same brush Oval 3 by MAC. Now we come to eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre with the Sigma brush P86. For the look today, I am going to create this look using this chocolate gold palette from Too Faced. I love the packaging, it's so beautiful, and I love the colors, especially this hot pink and the green. It smells so good. My first color is Rolling Dough, and I'm going to apply it using the Sigma brush E65. I'll apply it so that the blending of the other colors goes on really well. I'll take this color So Bougie using the Morphe brush E17, and I will apply it as a transition color a little above the lid. My next color is Cocoa Truffle, and I'm going to apply it using the Crown brush 528, and I am just going to apply it in the crease line just to enhance the crease area. I'm going to blend the shadows together again. To have a nice, neat, sharp crease line, I'm going to take this brush C124 from Crown Brushes, and I'm going to take my concealer, the same Tarte Shape and Tape concealer, and cut that crease line and apply it all over the lid. My lid color is Rich Girl, and I'm going to apply it again using the same brush, which is C124. Just to prevent the fallout, I'm going to spray MAC Fix Plus on this and then apply it all over the lid. Now I'll take Sigma pencil brush E30 and use this silver color as my highlight color in the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. Now comes the star of the show. I'm going to take my Sigma brush E20 and apply this beautiful color, which is New Money, in the lower lid. I just love this color. Using this Faces Longwear eye pencil in the shade Plum, and tap this liner using the same color, which is Hot Pink from the palette, using a Sigma brush E15. For my liner, and especially for this look, I am just going to use my Inglot AMC 77 gel liner. This liner is so dark, so intense, and for a perfect winged look, I just love this liner. I'm going to apply it using the MAC brush 288. And just to neaten up the edges, I love this brush, which is MAC brush 210. I'm done with both the eyes. I have let the powder bake on my skin, and now I'm just going to dust it off taking this MAC Mineralized Pressed Powder in medium and using the Sigma brush F25. Now I come to lashes and I am applying these candy lashes in D17. For my mascara, I'm using the Lancome Grandiose Mascara. And for my blush today, I'm using the NARS blush in Orgasm. I'm applying it using the Sigma brush F15. Now comes the highlight, and I'm using this Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighting Powder. I'll spray Fix Plus all over my face. And I'll apply this highlight using the Morphe brush M510. How gorgeous this highlight is. Now for my lip liner, I'm using this MAC lip pencil in the shade World. And I'll fill my lips with this Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Melted Nude. I'll finish off the look using this MAC Charged Water Skin Hydrating Mist. So this is the final look, which is right in front of you. I so love the look and I'm sure that you all would have liked it. It's so wonderful, not too much on eyes, a perfect winged sharp liner, beautiful lashes, and this amazing color on the lower lids. I have loved it, simply loved it. In case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And please do not forget to enter into my Notification Squad giveaway. I'm sure one of you lucky winners out there is going to win this. Stay blessed and keep watching because there are a lot of giveaways coming soon. I love you all.